Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I basically have my interpretation of a Wolf Pit video where he does a frozen breakfast thing, basically a steak and eggs with a nice creamy gravy, and this is my interpretation of it. All right, obviously you can see here I'm frying up the steak in a pan, adding some salt and pepper to it. I'm going to cook this steak about medium, and I'm going to chop it up into bite-sized pieces. As you can see here, I've got about a pound of breakfast sausage that I am frying up. Don't really need to add any seasoning to this. And let's move on to the making of the gravy. Okay, now I'm going to make basically the base of the sausage gravy. I'll add the ingredients later. But what you want to do is have 1/3 of a cup of flour, 3 to 4 cups of milk. I just decided to go with about 3.5 cups. Half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. And basically, you want to add all this over a medium heat, medium-low. And basically, you want to simmer it for 10 to 12 minutes. And that's it. That's it for the gravy. Okay, and then I cut up some red-skinned potatoes. And just going to boil them in some salted water till they're fork tender. I think it took about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so we have our eggs. And that's 5 large eggs, about a tablespoon of butter. Then you just want to grab a simple spatula and just keep stirring this. That's basically it for eggs. Well, at least the scrambled eggs. The biggest thing to remember with eggs, if you would like a good product, is don't add, when they're like this, do not add any salt or any pepper at all. If you add the salt and pepper now, it kind of starts to break the egg down. You end up with kind of a crappy, crummy, watery, flat pile of shit. So if you'd like, some nice, rich, creamy, fluffy fucking eggs, keep off the salt and the pepper until the eggs are about 99% cooked. Outside of that, generous heat, keep stirring them, takes a couple of minutes, and that's our scrambled egg. Okay, and now we're going to basically put everything together. The sausage gravy is thickened nicely, at least the way I like it. So we got our steaks, our lovely fluffy eggs, the sausage. And you want to keep this over a medium-low heat. I mean, everything's cooked, so you don't want to run the risk of overcooking. And then add the potatoes, and then just give it a minute or two to incorporate all the flavors together. Okay, so we just add this to the bowl. I put a little drizzle of hot sauce on mine. All right, so that's the Wolf Pit's all-day breakfast. Done.